Hey, what's up DIYers? Mike Bors with the Mike Bors channel. Thank you for watching. We're working on a 14X Strider bike. We're going to show you how to remove the pedal kit. Let's get started. All right, DIYers, at the workstation now. It is the Strider 14X bike, and we're going to remove this pedal kit. I've got an Allen wrench and a Phillips screwdriver. First thing we'll do is remove this plastic fender or plastic shield that covers the chain. Got a little Phillips screw. Go ahead and remove that. Set that aside so you don't lose it. From here, you've just got little plastic bumps that the lower fender slides onto and locks in place. Just basically give it a quick little friendly jolt and it should come right off. Set that aside. And from here, grab your Allen wrench. On the bottom side of your pedals, you've got an Allen screw. And go ahead and carefully remove that. Might need to muscle it loose. And when you get this bolt removed, you can pull this entire pedal kit off the bike. And I'm wearing rubber gloves because in most cases your Allen wrenches are oiled with that product to alleviate any rust gathering inside the bag of Allen wrenches. And in addition, your chain is oiled. So when you grab this entire pedal kit to remove it, be aware that there is oil or grease on the chain and you do not want to get that all over your hands or clothes. And the Allen screw or bolt comes with a washer. Set that aside. And again, from here, you just pull up on the entire pedal kit. There is a little steel tab that slides into the kit itself. Maneuver it in a way where you can just pull it up and out. Just like that. Carefully maneuver it. Carefully allow the chain to come off the lower spoke. And I've got this cardboard here. I will carefully set that down because again, there's grease on this chain. You don't want it all over things. From here, spend a couple seconds and reinsert and secure that bolt because you will need this when it comes time to reinsert and secure that pedal kit. You just want it reinstalled so you don't ever lose it. Next, go ahead and reinsert and secure the Phillips screw we removed to remove that plastic fender or shield because again, you do not want to lose this as well. And that is it, DIYers. As you can see, a very quick, friendly project. And the reason we are removing that pedal kit is because we are going to install the Snow Ski Kit, which is a kit that includes a ski for the front tire and the rear tire. It is very cool. And that kit should be arriving here within the next few days. In the event that you're curious on how to install the Snow Ski Kit, definitely check out the link scrolling above. You may find it helpful. And you may actually want to buy skis for your Strider bike. From here, do us a favor. Below the video, you'll see that thumbs up icon. Click on that, like the video, subscribe to the channel, definitely ring your YouTube bell. That would be very helpful to us. We would really appreciate it. Thanks again for watching.